Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Moment Fashion. So how are you friends? Today I am going to share with you gorgeous, outstanding, latest, trendy and beautiful high heel sandal designs ideas for girls and women. So you will see in this video different style and type of high heel sandal designs 2022 and 23. You can wear this sandal in official parties and in formal function. Our design is so gorgeous, mind-blowing, beautiful and stylish for those women who like latest fashion and unique style of fashion. So friends, watch my video till the end so you don't miss any design of my more beautiful video, because our design are latest, trendy and beautiful, and I am sure you like and want to buy such type of sandals. You will find hundred of new designs, hundred of new ideas daily in my channel videos. So please friends, subscribe my YouTube channel Sky Moment Fashion for more fashion ideas. Guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Outstanding, gorgeous, latest and trendy party wear and office wear high heel sandal designs ideas for girls and women. So guys, please do support me by sharing my video with your friends and family. Hopefully they will also like my video and wonderful collection. So friends, if you are loving these beautiful designs, do like my video, share and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the notification full of my videos, so you will not miss any video of my channel Moment Fashion. Friends, I hope you enjoy my video. Outstanding, latest, trendy and beautiful high heel sandal designs ideas. Do comments is comment section about my video and suggest me good advice so I can make more beautiful videos. Please support me by sharing my video, and thanks for happy visions on my previous video. Thank you so much all of your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourage me and motivate me to bring more useful videos and ideas for you. Thank you so much friends for watching this video till the end. Goodbye to your friends till the next video. See you soon.